As I was mentioning, there's a problem with the Echelon Bike pedals. When they are brand new installed, they have very thick grease that sometimes gets sticky, and this causes the pedals to rotate and fall. So let me show you what I'm talking about. So I'm gonna proceed to remove the pedal. I'm gonna use a number 14 socket wrench. In this section here, you need to remove a cover from the pedal. Remove the pedal, and then the bolt that is here. I have it here, and here you can see the pedal has two sides, right? It has here a roller bearing, probably, let's see, maybe you can see it here, that has exposed bearings, cylindrical rollers that are exposed, and those need to be greased. And on the other side has a sealed one. So here it has a sealed roller bearing. However, when the bike is new, it has a lot of thick grease here in this section of the pedal. I'll show you a little bit closer what I'm talking about. So when the bike is new, it comes with a very thick grease on this section, while the only part that really has any contact here is this area here, and this area here also has contact because there's a sealed roller bearing here. There's a seal here. So if you remove the grease from this area, all the grease here, you clean it out really nice, and then you apply grease only here, not so thick grease. You add grease here, that solves the problem, so the pedal won't fall off. Because what happens is that as this is rotating this way, the pedal starts also to rotate and then comes out. Even if you have this nut here, that is what happens. Yeah, so the Echelon Bike, it's a great investment. It's something that is not that as expensive as other brands. It's really efficient, and we really get a good workout out of it. We burn 700 to 800 calories per workout. Helps you to stay fit, strong, and I totally recommend it. It's good equipment. Yeah.